Hey there and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to enable dark mode on your Samsung Galaxy S23 smartphone. Let's dive right in. First, unlock your phone and locate the Settings app. It is usually represented by a gear icon. Tap on it to open the Settings menu. Scroll down the list of settings options and find Display. Tap on it to access the display settings. Within the display settings, you will see two options, light mode and dark mode. You need to choose one of them by tapping on your preferred mode. If you prefer a darker interface, select dark mode. Once selected, your Samsung Galaxy S23 will switch to a dark color scheme, providing a visually appealing and easier on the eyes interface. That's it. You have successfully enabled dark mode on your Samsung Galaxy S23 smartphone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.